Hey everybody, so we're going to be going over some stuff on acmetools.com today. It is Green Monday. It says 75% off, $599 or more, 35% off, $299 or more, and 15% off, $149 or more. With promo code SavingGreen. We're going to click on it. See what details it gives. Alright. Says Acme Tools Customer Appreciation Sale. So some of the items they have: 20 volt max XR cordless compact router for $149. It's got a promo, free DeWalt DCB 205 battery promo, which is a 5 amp hour battery right there. These are some of the tools that you can get this battery promo with. They have 2-pack CP 3.0s for $99, which is still Black Friday deal. Irwin 7 1/4 24 tooth carbide saw blade, Bosch router, Dremel crescent ratchets, toolkits, Metabo micro pin nailer, corded grinder and router, Roll Air XC 5.0 battery for $129. Looks like a Gen 1 brushed Milwaukee drill. The 5-in-1 drill and driver from Bosch. Drill bits by Champion. Hitachi and Metabo. Bosch Max connected green beam cross line laser level. Self-leveling cross line laser in red. Looks like there's several pages. Olympian dolly. Some lawnmowers. So let's see. Copy. Milwaukee. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Fuel. .3/8 ratchet. Let's see if it will apply to this. Sign in real quick. Add to cart. Go to cart. It does apply to this. It applies $15 off on the Milwaukee Ratchet combo kit. So, let's remove that item. Let's see. Apply the 3/8 ratchet bare tool to the cart. Sorry, I'm kind of moving quite fast, guys. Back. Quarter. And that one to the cart. Go back. 1/2 inch. We're gonna see if it applies to all 3 of these ratchets. Just curious. Go to cart. So it's $502 for all 3 of these ratchets. Yes, it does. It applies Acme Tool SavingGreen promotion to each item. So 1102, 1101, 1297. So you're saving $35. So which isn't really much. Let's see. Where is it at? Page 2. 3/8 for the original. And a cart. Oh, this one has a battery. We're going to remove that one. And a cart. It's a 1/4 inch. This one's a 3/8. And a cart. Remove this one. It does apply to each item. Let's see, so 2457, 2456 for the 1/4 and 3/8 for the original non-fuel brushed, and then 2558, 2556, and 2557. So 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch for the fuel. Took $16.35 off the 3/8. Took $16.35 off the 1/4. Took $19.26 off the 1/2 inch. Took $11.52 off of the quarter for the brushed, and it took $11.52 off the 3/8 for the brushed. So it is applying $75 saving promo. So it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ratchets 700 instead of 775, almost 800. It says there's 2 promos attached. $25 Milwaukee and SavingGreen. So it does work. Yeah, it does exactly takes off $75. So, which isn't much. It's not that great of a deal. So I'm going to remove all these items. I don't believe this works with the Surge, if I remember correctly. I think Toolboss spoke about that earlier. Let's see. It does not work on the Surge. What about the M12 Surge? It doesn't work on the M18. Which is funny because the M12 Surge is more expensive than the M18 at the moment. M18 is $119. The M12 Surge is $150. It does work on the M12 Surge for bare tool. So if you guys are looking to pick up the M12 Surge bare tool, you can use the Acme Tools SavingGreen promotion on it. It takes $15 off, which is not bad. I have heard that the M12 Surge isn't as good as the M18 Surge. So the M18 Surge does apply for the 15 off because it's $149. I'm not sure if it works for the Packout radio. I'm sure it won't work for the Packout storage system, but we can try and check. Here's the Packout. Select pre-order. Go to cart. It does apply. The Packout radio does apply. Acme Tools SavingGreen promotion, $35. So, let's go back. And let's see if the promotion also works for I lost my train of thought. Oh, the Packouts. Let's just add the regular Packout. It does not apply on the regular Packout. It's probably because it's already on discounted promotion from $279 to $199. So yeah, it's not going to work on the Packout. Let's see. Okay. Here's the buildable Packout that you can build and choose your own. With foam inserts. It says list price is $4.99. It does not apply to Packout at all. And that's Packout 19. It does apply to the stereo though. Makes the radio charger $264 instead of $299. Will it apply to, let's just say, individual Packout boxes? Let's try this one right here. It's a low profile organizer. And let's grab a couple others. Packout mounting plate. This one has a foam insert. Alright, so let's see if it applies to these. It does. So it applies to individual Packout items. It does not apply to the 3-piece Packout kit. So if you wanted to buy, the mounting plate or this particular $50 Packout box with the foam insert, it will apply. It's not much. 428, 257, 256, 2559. So if you get just the radio, it makes the radio, I think it was 265 earlier. Instead of taking the $35 off of just the radio, it splits all of that between the other items for the $35. So if you just wanted the $35 applied to the stereo, you're not going to want to order anything other than the stereo. So if I was you guys, I would use the coupon for something expensive like the radio and just only buy the radio. And then I would come back and I would individually start adding these into the cart if you wanted to buy more Packout stuff. But I would keep these items separate from the stereo if you wanted to save as much as possible on the stereo. But I think that's going to conclude the video. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time and make this too long of a video. It's probably pretty long already. Yeah, it's 21 minutes. So I'm going to end it here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.